Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool charger for these 18650 batteries. These are rechargeable batteries. It actually comes with 4 of them so that you can charge them up yourself. But these are 5,000 milliamp hour batteries, which are used a lot of times. These are 3.7 volt lithium ion rechargeable batteries. I do like the fact that this charger here has a decently length cord, plugs into a USB-A, and it actually has battery indicators on it to show whether they're charging. You just simply insert the battery. It has kind of a spring-loaded piece here to lock it in place, and there you go, and you can charge 4 of those at once. Then whenever you need to pull them out to use them, maybe you're going to put these in your higher-end electronic devices or your rechargeable flashlights, headlamps, whatnot, you can easily do that. Now, the input on this, it says, is around 2 to 4 amps. Output is 4.2 volt or 2,000 milliamp hours on that for the output on that, which is going to charge these up relatively quickly. But being as that these are 5,000 milliamp hour batteries, they're going to last a really long time in those rechargeable devices. This also doesn't weigh that much, so that you can easily unplug this and take this with you, especially if you're going to be traveling with you. So that way you can plug this into a USB-A, which is a pretty common port to plug this in, so you're not having to look for a standard 110 outlet or another outlet if you're traveling to a different country, which is nice as well. So these batteries will work well in a lot of different devices, like the charger, and the batteries are a nice addition.